Namaste everyone. Welcome back children. Children, as we have picked up our topic, the solar system. So let us recall that in part 1 we have talked about the sun and the planets. And in part 2 we have talked about the natural satellite of the earth, that is the moon. And today in this video we will talk about those heavenly bodies which you see twinkling in the night sky. Yes, we are talking about stars, and you should know that sun is also a star which gives us heat and light and makes the life possible on the earth. And children, you should know that there are some stars like North Star which help travelers to navigate around the earth. So let us take up our today's topic, that is the stars. So children, we have already talked about the solar system, the sun, planets, satellites or the moons in our previous sessions, and today in this video session we'll talk about the stars and the constellations. So we know what do we see in the sky. During daytime we see the sun, and at night we see the moon, planets and stars. And we know that stars twinkle in the night sky whereas planets do not. And if we talk about the sun, it is a big ball of fire very far away from the earth. It gives us heat and light, and we know that because of the right amount of heat that we receive from the sun, it makes the life possible on our planet earth. And we know that sun is visible during the day. And children, we know that many heavenly bodies or many objects revolve around the sun called planets. But here I would like to tell you that sun is a star. So let us know more about stars. These are huge balls of hot gases that give out heat and light continuously. That means these gases are burning continuously, which are producing heat as well as light. They appear to us small because they are very far away from us. Sun is also a star which is nearest to us. It appears bigger to us than other stars because it is nearest to us. Stars can be seen through naked eye and also with the help of a telescope. So a lot of stars, millions of stars can be seen at the night. They appear very small because they are very far from us. But why sun is the biggest star? Because it is nearest to us. And since it is nearest to us, we can see it during the daytime also. So children, if you observe these stars carefully, you will find that they form some patterns in the sky, and these patterns are called constellations. So basically, what are constellations? A group of stars forming a certain pattern in the night sky is called constellation. Each constellation is given a name based on human imagination. So these are imaginary names given to the constellations. Some of the easily seen constellations are Ursa Major, the Great Bear, and the Orion or the Hunter. So children, you should know that Ursa Major or the Great Bear consists of these 7 prominent stars, and if you join these stars with imaginary lines, you will find that it gives a shape of a Big Dipper. So this is also called Big Dipper, right? And the Indian name of Big Dipper is Saptarishi Mandal. That means cluster of 7 saints. Similarly, Orion is named after a hunter in Greek mythology. All constellations cannot be seen at all times. They appear at different time and season. But children, this Great Bear you can always see in the northern sky. So with this, let us move on to the important terms, that is solar system. Sun and 8 planets together form the solar system. Orbits, we know that fixed path in which planets revolve around the sun are called orbits. And if we talk about planets, these are huge round objects that move around the sun in fixed paths called orbits. Then we have satellites. An object that moves around a planet in a fixed orbit is called its satellite. And a group of stars forming certain pattern in the sky forms the constellation. So children, with this, let us move on to the recapitulation section. State whether the following statements are true or false. Planets give out heat and light. That is false because we know that stars, they give out heat and light. Sun is a star. That is true. All constellations can be seen at all times. That is false. All constellations cannot be seen at all times. Group of stars forming pattern is called constellations. That is true. Ursa Major constellation is also called the Great Bear. That is also true. So with this children, let us move on to the think and answer section. What are stars? What are constellations? Give example. And I hope after going through this video session, we are able to answer these questions. And if you have any doubt, we can go to the video slide numbers as mentioned here. So children, that was all about the stars. So with this, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching and take care of yourselves.